What's up, YouTube? Firestone Gaming here, and today we're gonna be playing tabs. Totally accurate battle simulator. Let's go 4 levels, but we're gonna be starting from level 1. Let's get started. Here we have uh. Okay, here we have the Vikings, the Crusaders, we have Greece, we have Asia. No, Asia's good. Asia. We have whatever that's called. My new soundboard. Okay, let's get started with some cannons. A cannon. Oh my god, I think I. Yeah.
Awkward.
What? Why are you doing me? Have some Hawache and Ninja Master. Or not. And a Samurai Master.
Fail.
Yeah, this is a fail right now. Aha! What? Wow, that guy died. Okay, so let's send out ISIS. There. Here, you're about to see why that's ISIS right there. Yeah, let's redo that. Yeah, much better. Okay, let's have him go. And then we're gonna have a cannon right here with an army behind it who are gonna be skinny enough to hide behind a tree. For now. For now, I wow. Look at my cannon.
Fail. 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 Fail.
Wow.
Reserve.
I have a bunch of weird buttons.
Viewer discretion is advised.
I have a bunch of weird buttons.
You got tone.
Yeah, let's get someone new. You all suck, which we all now know. So we're gonna have this, this, and this. Till you win a battle. I mean, like, look at this, guys. My game is very laggy, it turns out. Yeah, I have an idea. Oh. Oh, wow. Oh. YouTube, that's gonna be it for today. Tomorrow we're gonna retry, or later today we'll retry. Not sure, but hope you all enjoyed, and please like and subscribe. Like, do it right now. Like, right now. Yes, right now. Yes, right now. Where, I guess, this, peace, or whatever that sign means.